In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with Monday.com. We're going to connect Monday.com to ChatGPT using Zapier, so that actions in Monday can automatically send information to ChatGPT and then bring the response back into your workflows. I'll walk you through every click, and you can pause at any time to follow along. Start by opening Monday.com in your browser and logging into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where your personal and admin settings are located. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Administration. If you don't see this option, you may need admin permissions, so check with whoever manages your Monday account. Inside the administration area, look for the section labeled Connections. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll see options for connecting Monday.com to other tools, including where you manage your personal API token. Click on the option that mentions your personal API token. This token is what lets other tools, like Zapier, securely talk to your Monday account without sharing your login details. You'll see your token on the screen, and next to it, there should be a button to copy it. Click Copy. Treat this token like a password. Don't share it publicly or paste it where others can see it. Now open a new tab and go to Zapier. Log into your Zapier account, or create one if you haven't already. On your Zapier dashboard, find and click on Create. Then choose Zaps. A Zap is an automated workflow made of a trigger and an action. In the Zap editor, start by setting up the trigger. Click on the trigger section, then in the app search bar type Monday.com. When Monday.com appears in the list, click on it. Next, you'll be asked to select a trigger event. This is what starts the automation, such as when an item is created or updated. Choose the event that best fits your use case. Zapier will then ask you to sign into your Monday account. When prompted, paste in the API key you copied earlier and confirm the connection. Once the trigger is set, move down to the Action section. Click on Action, and in the search bar type OpenAI. From the list, select ChatGPT, OpenAI. You'll now choose an action event, like generating a response or creating a completion, depending on what's available for your account. After selecting the action event, choose or connect your OpenAI account. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Zapier to use ChatGPT on your behalf. When you're done, you'll be ready to map fields, test your Zap, and start automating ChatGPT responses directly from Monday.com.